Continuing on with the problems that plague us in the everyday world. Now, there is death in the family. How do you cope with that? Well, these are decisions that each individual must make as he progresses through his life, how to handle individual problems. Anxieties and worry, these are issues that will arise from the day-to-day activity, which in essence probably may be causing individuals to be depressed. And of course, in doing so, he may have the inability to focus and work. And as a consequence, he may overindulge in food and drug in hopes that this will solve the problem, but rather than face the problem head on, he doesn't know how to deal with it. And as a consequence, then you have what is called the deterioration of the health in the body, which will then in turn causes a crutch to develop for food and to drugs. Now, are there any solutions? Well, the Western society says yes, medicine is uninterested in the fact that it continually pushes the constant use of medicine to solve problems, but it doesn't really result. And the reason being that these things will eventually cause the life-threatening issues to present themselves, and rather than to go and look at the root causes of the problem and in essence to try to solve the problem, we create different issues. Now, solutions within themselves are not easy to be found because some people turn to what is called alternative health, but they are looking for a quick fix, which is not going to happen, and thinking also by saying one size of the medicine fits all, it doesn't work. So extreme cleansing and other generalities of alternative medicine may not be the solution to the problem. So the individuals may turn to fitness world and say, okay, we're going to exercise, but in doing so, they overdo it and have extreme training, which then in turn causes exhaustion, collapse, and the diets that they were on will cause them to go, instead of reducing, go into the binge eating and create other issues. So traditional Eastern medicine may not be the solution as well, too. So it's not adopted to the modern world, and often the diet in of itself doesn't pay attention to what is currently happening in the individual's society and problems, and it's not designed to make one independent. So solutions to these issues will come in another form that has been used for over thousands of years, which is bees, which if you look at it, it says breathing, eating, exercise, excretion, and sex. These have in themselves been around for thousands of years, and if you focus in on understanding some of these, then you will then in turn try to build those three factors that would be needed in order for you to sustain yourself in terms of long life, which is the qi, the jin, the shin, and these three factors come together. Go review this website and see if there's something there that would be a benefit to you.